Hello, and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT has broken below the trend line now, which was our signal that a larger pullback is unfolding and possibly this wave 2 in the white scenario. Quick reminder of our scenarios that we've been watching and that we've been talking about. First of all, we are looking at the possibility that a larger substantial low has formed here in a B wave on the 5th of August. That's not great, that scenario, because it's only a B wave low. It's not a wave 2 or anything that would indicate bullishness. But still, if a B wave bottomed, the market could still rally in a C wave well, maybe not a new all-time high, but at least quite substantially. I will show you that now on the larger time frame just to explain again. Of course, we could go to new all-time highs, but first of all, we need to focus on the question whether some kind of a low has formed. But you see here, due to that deep pullback, I see it as a B wave. Yeah, it could be technically a wave 2, but it's too low to be reliable. So the white count is the leading count, which means we have an A wave to the upside, a B wave low, and a C wave rally into the region between 12.29 and 26.38, even though 26.38 is already on the higher end. If you're a silver or gold member, you have access to these live charts and you can look at them in your own time. But let's go back to the shorter time frame, because really nothing has changed on that larger time frame. Yeah, not since the 5th of August. Now, looking then here at the smaller time frame, the idea is that we had a 1-2 setup. We could now be in the third wave. That's circle wave 3 to the upside. And I gave you a resistance and target for this wave 1 of circle wave 3. And that was here at $5.10. $5.10, $5.37, I highlighted to you. If we break above it, above this pivot, it will become more likely that we're already in wave 3 of 3. But the market couldn't do it. No, instead, it got rejected at the 61.8 extension of the initial 1-2 setup. That looks like another 1-2 setup, which is good, okay? That would essentially be more bullish, but we need to see now if the market can hold 439, because that's the key support. So for any bullish scenario that is directly bullish as per the white wave count, this roadmap here, the bulls need to hold above $4.39. And we seem to be coming down in a nice 3-wave move at the moment. A wave, B wave, C wave. That C wave could easily get a few more downside squiggles to complete maybe wave 2 in the region around $4.53 or $4.39. And then from here, a third wave rally to the upside could start. But important is that we see some kind of support here in this region, to then, as I said, start wave 3 of circle wave 3. Below $4.39, we could still be working on the orange scenario, which means that this larger degree wave 2 that presumably bottomed on Friday the 16th never finished. Okay, so this would be a scenario where we say this never finished. We can give the bulls another chance as long as they can hold the $3.85 level. And $3.85, that's the, let's say, that's the last reliable bullish support level I have here for any possible 1-2 setup. Okay, so that's very, very important. And yeah, 385 is key support. And as long as we're holding 385, a third wave rally could then still form, but we would need to build again this smaller degree 1-2 setup. So essentially it's all about 439. Both scenarios can be considered potentially bullish, but it is important to recognize the relevant pivots that distinguish the two. So for example, 385 is for the larger bullish assumption, and 439 for the more direct 1-2 setup. So that's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.